3.
Thank you, FIS, and thank you, Smash Foundation! Yay!
Hi, good morning. Good morning, classmate. Picture sa pagkapika. Ayan guys. Last day na namin dito sa swimming class. Ayan. Hi! Hi!
Friends International School! Again? Friends International School! Ano sasabihin sa Splash?
Thank you!
Splash! Thank you, Splash Foundation!
Yay!
Why ang layo?
Baka rangitin natin.
Ano daw tayo tapos?
Four minutes.
4 minutes.
Para saan?
Hi, Miss Lani. Hello. Captain. Ano daw? Happy yarn. Ayan guys, last day. Ano masasabi nyo? Last day natin ngayon?
Day natin.
Yeah.
So congratulations to us.
Yeah.
We made it until this far, and then hope to see you guys for the beginner class. Oh my gosh, no bleed.
Hi! Yeah, ano ko to, no?
Hi, thank you for watching. Thank you, Splash muna.
Hello guys, thank you everyone sa mga ka-splasher ko, lalo na sa group 1 at saka ni Ampon. Thank you for the friendship, banding, sa time, at saka sa pag-inom natin ng tulong.
Hello! Say hi!
Mag-beach let's go.
Lani, thank you po. Thank you, mamimiss ka namin, Miss Lani. Mamimiss ka namin.
Magkikita pa tayo.
yung dito na lang muna sa Uy, minimize your noises ate, mga ate. Ano na lang? Ano naman, group to please. Ate! Lenny, hindi pa tapos yung group to.
Thank you, FIS and Trust Foundation.
Walang ka...
Walang ka lang.
May GC tayo.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
I'm Margie Rivera, 49 years old. I'd like to thank the Splash Foundation and FIS International School for having this venue. And the first time I was scared to dip into the water. And then after 9 weeks of lessons, I now learned to swim. Everyone can swim. My goal is to be patient, determination, perseverance, and courage to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Splash! 1, 2, 3, smile!
You can go.
Wow.
Now it's beach weather. You can go.
Yeah. Thank you!
Hindi ba tinig ko yung magka-picture sa ibang mga coaches? Pag-segment natin sa
Hi!
This one, is this yours? Okay. Close this one.
You did today. You may not have been able to do everything that you wanted to do, but you did a great job. Okay, all of you are doing things today that you couldn't do 12 weeks ago. So super proud of you. What an amazing job from all the coaches. You guys have gotten some really good coaches. Skills were looking top-notch. And then a huge thank you to your captains. So I just want to say, I really encourage you to keep swimming, okay? You have met so many new friends from this program, and it's really important that you keep practicing your skills on your own, okay? Not everyone can get into our Beginner Plus program, and we don't run that many of them, and you will forget what you've learned if you don't keep practicing it. So it's really important. So get your friends together on a Sunday, go swimming together, and okay, and we will have Beginner Plus classes starting May 12th. Only 4, so we've got, I think, a lot of beginner classes starting, and only 4 beginner classes, Beginner Plus classes. So you may not get into all of them. Just keep an eye on the website for the registration date, okay? If you want to sign up again. Okay. Holly, I don't know if you want to say a few words for what an amazing job.
Changed since the first day we met today.
Nakakuha sila lahat doon. Ayun sila mamaya. Wala pa lang ang mga
Nalang kapita din siya kami.
sulatan nila kanina, nila coach sa
Ba't na interview niya, di ba ako? Ayan guys, tapos na yung swimming class. Thank you Splash for the free swimming class for all OFW in Hong Kong.